Today, we're diving into the Bosch B942 touchscreen keypad, a sleek and sophisticated addition to any home or business security system. Boasting a crisp white design, this touchscreen intrusion LCD keypad combines modern aesthetics with robust functionality. One of the standout features is its intuitive interface, which simplifies arming and disarming your security system with just a few taps. The responsive touchscreen ensures quick navigation through menus and settings, making it effortless to manage security protocols. Security is paramount, and the B942 keypad offers peace of mind with its encrypted communication protocols, ensuring data integrity and protection against unauthorized access attempts. It integrates seamlessly with Bosch's security systems, providing comprehensive control over sensors, alarms, and monitoring. Installation is straightforward, catering to both DIY enthusiasts and professional installers alike. The keypad's compact footprint makes it suitable for various mounting options, adapting to diverse architectural styles without compromising on visibility or accessibility. In terms of durability, Bosch delivers reliability with a keypad designed to withstand daily use and potential environmental stressors. Whether you're upgrading an existing system or starting fresh, the B942 touchscreen keypad stands out as a reliable choice for enhancing security measures. To sum up, if you're looking for the best in touchscreen security keypads, Bosch's B942 model offers a blend of style, functionality, and robust security features that make it a top contender in today's market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.